Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a really long time. I am here today with a really late unboxing of my Beautylish Lucky Bag. I got this in January, it's now April, so yeah, I'm a tad late, but I thought I'd open it because I've had it here just waiting for ages. So I want to get the video on my channel even though it's going to be 4 months late, but you know, better late than never. I say that, I think it's more 3 months because I think I got it end of January, start of February. Pretty sure, something like that anyway. Yeah, so we're going to open it. So just to prove, well, I can't even prove anything because it's not even sealed. I normally have it sellotaped, but that shows you that I've not even opened it. So let me get everything out and then I will come back. And I'm really sorry because it's been so long since I filmed. If I'm looking over there, it's because I'm looking at my viewfinder. I need to get into the habit of looking in the lens. So yeah, let me crack on. So I've just unbagged it because I don't want the noise to like distract. I can't even speak anyone. I always keep the paper that's in it because whatever the artist has done that year is always different. And the little tag, I will read you what it says. Although if you are familiar with the Lucky Bags, you'll probably already know it. Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The shisha on this year's Lucky Bag are known as guardians in Japan. They are said to ward off evil spirits while keeping good spirits in. We hope the surprises inside invite you to leave the bad behind and take the good with you into 2022. So yeah, that's what it is. And you've got obviously the different designs. I've got every one of them. I don't know why I keep them. I just think they're really pretty and I keep them all in my like private drawer. So I've opened the bag that they're in. They're always in like a bubble wrap bag. I haven't had a look properly, like to see what it, you know, like properly to see what's in. So I'm just going to go in and pick some up at random. This is the only thing I saw, by the way. So this is the towel scrunchie for your sweaty salt wet hair. I have heard about these. They're meant to be really good, like tying your hair up afterwards, but it dries your hair as well. So if you're using them for the gym or after the shower and everything, which would be perfect for me because I hate drying my hair. I have so much of it that I just don't like it. So I usually just sort of blast my hair to get the top bit dry and then put my bobble in, but it usually makes my bobble go all horrible. But if this is for that, winner chicken dinner. Yeah, so that's a nice one to have. I always like these, even if sometimes you think to yourself they're not worth it. I just think it's a nice surprise. She says leaving it for 3 months to open. Ooh, so the next thing is the Viseart Petit Foie Frambeau. Oh God, I'm not going to try to say that. But anyway, it's a little quad. Oh, the packaging is like super cute. Oh, that's really lovely. It's like mauvey purples. They're really nice. Ooh, a lot of kickback in that lighter shade though. Ooh, that's so pretty. A lot of kickback. So yeah, so that's cute. So the next one is the Good Molecules Glycolic Exfoliating Toner. I really like glycolic acid. I like to use it just to give the face an extra clean and obviously to know that it's dealing with texture. I actually like to use it in my kit as well. And Good Molecules is a nice brand. That's a proper glass bottle, that's really nice. So yeah, I'm happy about that one. Last year I got a primer which was really nice. What have we got here? We have got, oh my gosh, it's a Wayne Goss, the Luxury Cream Lipstick in Cocoa. So let me open that. How exciting. And I think these retail for like £25. Ooh, nice packaging, very sleek. Oh wow, that is a 90s brown. Wow. Not really my shade, but I'll put it in my kit because I imagine someone will like it. She says while she's wearing a brown lip, so it probably is my shade. Ignore me. Woohoo! So the next thing we got, it's some brushes. I don't know who they're by. all it says on them is Unit 310, Unit 307, Unit 308 and Unit 309. So I don't know if the brand is called Unit and it's their then brushes, but they're really good, like little blender brushes, so they're nice. And they're cute. I always like brushes. I have so many of them now. And I think I've got one more thing. Yep. It's the Natasha Denona Retro palette. Oh my gosh. Have a look, see which one this is. So that's what she looks like. Oh, she's pretty. So yeah, it's going very themed is the palettes in this one. It's all like mauvey purpley pinks, but that is gorgeous. So yeah, that is everything that I got in the goodie bag this year. I'm just double checking. Yep, that's everything I got. I'm actually really happy with what I got. I wish I did get the, I saw someone on like YouTube who got, I think is it the Hindash blush palette? That would have been really cool to try. But I am really happy with what I've got. If you'd like to see me use any of the products, do let me know because I am going to be posting more content now. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!